Here we come to this monstrosity. A modernised Schindler from not that long ago, I think 2022 or something, ES5, so the newest model of Schindler. And it's been replaced with, well not replaced, modernised into this United list crap. The door operator is original.
Level G, going up.
A couple is original, but I think the door motor has been replaced. Or the controller at least. Because that's very door 35. I don't know what they've done. Is that piece of crap. What a joke, man. This is the Schindler, like an ES5, the newest type of Schindler. United list, replace the controller, the door operator, the fixtures. Just because they can and they want, oh, we want to make it a set. And apparently that's more important. Brand new bloody lift. The brakes don't sound too good either.
Level 1, going down.
Man, that door sucks. That brake.
Level 2, going down.
The door sensors might be replaced. They're clicking away. I'm pretty sure the door operator. Yeah, the motor, that's the new motor. What a joke. Put it ground and try and get 13A. There's a separate video for that one now. Guess that one's technically a borrow. The F-drive is different as well. So all the drive equipment has been replaced.